Hi, my name is Anna. I've been baking for the past 20 years. I've developed a passion for baking from my Italian parents. So join me for some delicious, quick, authentic recipes. I have hundreds to choose from and to share with you. So whether you're just starting out or have an interest in baking, follow me and we'll get inspired. Benvenuti. Today we're making ricotta French toast. It's a classic recipe with an Italian twist. So for this recipe, you will need brioche bread, ricotta cheese, milk, sugar, maple syrup, lemon, salt, cinnamon, and eggs. I'll have the full recipe at the end. Okay, so we're going to start by beating our eggs. We're going to add our salt, our cinnamon, and our milk. We're going to beat that all together. This is one of my favorite recipes using ricotta cheese. So I love French toast, and what better is to pair it up with ricotta. I'm going to add some more milk. There we go. We'll set that aside. And now we're going to mix together our ricotta cheese. Now we're going to mix our ricotta cheese. We're going to add our sugar. And we're going to use a half a lemon zest. Makes your French toast taste so good, so delicious. There we go. Now we're going to mix that all together. And this is pretty simple. You don't need to mix it in your machine. Just mix it with a spatula all together so all the sugar and lemon zest are incorporated. There we go. Looks ready. Smells so good already. Perfect. Now we're going to fill our brioche bread. Okay, so we're ready to fill our brioche bread. What I have is a scoop. You can use a piping bag as well, or a fork, whatever you feel comfortable with. So we're going to put ricotta cheese right on it. And we're going to spread it. This is such a easy, quick recipe that will make any brunch just one step. You will delight all your family members. And then you're going to place another one on top and just kind of press it together. If you have a little bit excess, that's okay, just remove it. And then this is what you do with, is you're going to coat it on both sides. And then put it on the pan. You can put as much as you like of ricotta filling. I like mine nice and filled. Nice and stuffed there. So you get another one. Press it together. There we go. Then we're going to grab one more. There we go. Don't worry if it kind of slides away. You'll just put it back together. There we go. This is such a nice brunch item. one of our favorites at home in my house. There we go. Now it's ready to be baked. French toast is ready to go in the oven. There we go. Okay, so let's see. Oh, it looks so good. See if it needs to be flipped a little. Yeah, just a little bit. So we're gonna take it out. There we go. We'll pop it in for a few more minutes. Okay, so our French toast is ready. Look at that, smells so good. Okay, now we're gonna duster a bit of icing sugar just to make it all look so pretty. There you go. Ricotta French toast is ready to serve. So your French toast is ready. We're going to drizzle a bit of maple syrup over top. Look, that looks so delicious. There we go. So let's give this a try. Looks delicious. Delicious. You could definitely taste the ricotta, the lemon, the cinnamon. It's a delicious recipe for your friends and family. If you enjoyed this video, press the like and subscribe button. Your support is encouraging.